It's not just shape, but what covers the jet. These ultra-special paints and layers bend radar waves away, making the F-22 a ghost in the sky. To understand how the F-22 disappears, we first need to understand how radar works. Radar sends out electromagnetic waves that bounce off objects and return to the receiver. Traditional aircraft reflect these waves back like mirrors, creating a bright signature on radar screens. The larger the aircraft, the bigger the radar signature, making it an easy target. But the F-22 Raptor changes everything. Its angular design and special coatings work together to scatter radar waves in all directions, except back to the source. The secret lies in radar-absorbing materials, or RAM. These aren't ordinary paints, they're engineered at the molecular level. Each layer contains millions of tiny particles designed to absorb and dissipate electromagnetic energy. When radar waves hit these materials, instead of bouncing back, they're converted into heat and scattered harmlessly away. It's like the difference between shining a flashlight on a mirror versus a piece of charcoal. The F-22's stealth coating isn't just one layer, it's a sophisticated multi-layer system, each designed for different radar frequencies. Creating these coatings is one of the most challenging manufacturing processes in aerospace. Every surface must be prepared to microscopic precision before the coating can be applied. The application process takes place in specially controlled environments where temperature, humidity, and air purity are critical. Each layer is tested and verified before the next can be applied, a process that can take weeks for a single aircraft. This technology comes at a price. The F-22's stealth coating requires constant maintenance and can cost millions to reapply. In real-world tests, the F-22's radar signature is smaller than a marble. While conventional fighters can be detected from hundreds of miles away, the F-22 can approach within striking distance, virtually undetected. This stealth capability gives the F-22 an unprecedented first-strike advantage in modern warfare. Even its weapons are hidden internally to maintain the stealth profile until the moment of attack. But stealth technology isn't perfect. Weather, wear, and certain radar frequencies can still compromise the F-22's invisibility. The future of stealth technology lies in adaptive materials that can change their properties in real time. Imagine coatings that can adjust to different radar frequencies automatically, or even become completely transparent to electromagnetic waves. As detection technology advances, so too must stealth capabilities. The F-22 Raptor represents the pinnacle of current stealth technology, a ghost in the sky that redefined modern air warfare. In the world of military aviation, sometimes the most powerful weapon is the one you never see coming.